all started when I picked up my mum's old camera. I remember being fascinated by the idea that a single photograph could freeze a moment in time, a real person, and a real feeling, a story that would never happen in exactly the same way again. My early learning actually started in wedding photography. I began as a second photographer working alongside John, and it was during that time that I really learned how to observe moments, anticipate emotions, and understand the importance of being ready before the moment even happens. Weddings are one of the toughest environments to learn photography because everything happens quickly and there are no second chances. The laughter, the emotions, the reactions, you have to see things developing and react instantly to capture them. But wedding photography teaches you something incredibly important. Learning how to connect with people, how to help someone relax in front of the camera, and how to capture something genuine rather than something posed or forced. You're working with natural light, real environments and real characters you meet along the way. Over time, that naturally led me into street photography, where every person you meet has their own story, and every encounter is different. For me, it's about noticing those moments, finding interesting faces and personalities. One of the hardest subjects to photograph is a human being. And creating portraits that feel honest, natural and full of emotion. That's exactly why I run my Photowalks, where I help photographers of all levels develop the confidence to approach people respectfully, understand how to use natural light to shape a portrait, and quickly dial in the right camera settings so you're ready when the moment appears. Because once you understand those simple things, street portrait photography becomes incredibly rewarding. If you've ever wanted to try photographing people on the street but weren't sure how to begin, or if you'd simply like to build your confidence and develop your skills, I'd love for you to join me. Trust me, my journey learning photography hasn't been easy. I've made just about every mistake going, but looking back, that's what gave me a real hands-on understanding of it. So not just how it works, but how to explain it simply. So when I'm teaching, I don't overcomplicate things, keep it simple, clear, and easy to understand, because I know what it's like to be figuring it all out alone. And it's all too easy to just not bother and leave your camera in its bag.